And today we will make a BIOS of HP Pavilion X360. So for these, first we need serial number, and this is the Alder point ADP. It's a 12th generation. You can see here ADP LPA Alder point, that is a 12th generation. So let's start. How to make this? For this we need serial number, so we will drop in hexswap to find the serial number. So we will do Control F and should be text string, and we will search as a X360, and you can see they are just above the X360. We got the HP BIOS serial number. And we will search this in Google, Chrome. Now we will make one text document, so to make it remember. So we write serial number and paste here. This is our serial number. For this we need serial number, version and others. So we'll go to Google's and we'll search HP driver. And we will select the OS, that is I have selected Windows 11, and so here HP Pavilion X360. So we will select the BIOS, system BIOS firmware, HP notebook system update, and we will go to the previous version. And we need version of this, so we don't know, so we will search again in the hex box from the old BIOS, and for that we have to type $BVDT, $BVDT. You can see here. Okay, and here we got our version is F16, $F16, so our version is F16. So we will copy this and keep it in the text document F16. And here you can see there is no F16, only F14, F17 and F18. So we will take a higher version, that is F18. And we have to right click and extract. Here we got again, we can't extract by right click, we have to double click on that. Here there is no option to extract, so double click on this file and wait for the time. More info, run anyway. And we have to select copy next and choose the part where you have to extract. So I have copied the part where I have to extract and /new, put new. Here I put new and next. So all the file which have extracted are gone to a new folder. So you can see here A34 is, we'll see in future, A34. So here you can see so many files. So they have two categories of 16. You can see here a34.bin and here abe. So which one is our is first one? So our new BIOS is ready.